Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe and leave a like. And in today's video, we're going to be replacing the door checkers on my Honda Civic Si. And the reason why I'm removing the door checker is because they don't even hold the doors open anymore. So to get access to the door checker, you need to remove the door panel. And you'll see in these next few clips, you'll see how I do everything. And with that being said, let's get into today's video. Let's go. As you guys can see from the way that this switch panel is designed, the way I found it easiest to remove the panel is to pry it from the back where the clip is. Then work your way from the side, working your way up. Once you've got it loose, pull the panel back and pull it out like I did in the video. Once you remove the plastic cover, you can see that there's a screw and a plastic clip. When I removed the plastic clip, I used this small pick to remove it. It was fairly simple to remove it, just be careful not to lose it. So after a bit of struggling with removing some of the clips, I finally got it off, and just to make it a little bit easier myself, I didn't remove the door panel completely, I just left it kind of hanging there. Next, I'm just going to remove this plastic insulation, and then I should have access to the door checker. Alright you guys, everything's put back together and the new door checker is a lot better than the old one, as you can see from the video. You can tell that the door is being actually held. And if you guys were wondering, this process was very simple. It only took me about an hour or so. And if you guys were having problems with your door checkers, I'd recommend you guys do it yourself. It's very simple to do. Alright you guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. If you guys did find it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.